here in the Startup Zone at glasstec 2024, and I'm very happy to talk to you, who you are from StealthCase, a company that does exactly what?
So we're a Finnish startup, and we help glass fabricators turn their coated glass products invisible to wireless signals. And we do this because coated glass is actually, it's great for insulation and it helps the thermal, properties of buildings. But it also, as a side product, the metal coatings, they also are very bad for wireless data. We have developed a patented pattern that can be etched on glass surfaces with laser. And it's a specific pattern that actually, when you apply it to the glass and you remove thin traces of the metal coating, it turns the treated area into glass antenna. And it practically makes the glass invisible to the wireless signals.
How did you come up with the idea?
That's an interesting story, actually. So our founder, Juha, 10 years ago or so, he bought a new apartment in a newly constructed building in Finland. That building actually, it was very modern. It had great, insulation, for example, to comply with the building code. But when Juha moved in, he realized he couldn't get any reception on his phone, and he started to look into it. He's an antenna engineer, and over time he developed, this passive antenna solution that we're now commercializing.
And how have the reactions been so far from the industry?
Very positive, and certainly, curious about this. It's still a new thing, and different countries and markets are at different stages of, how severe this problem is becoming. General reception is very positive. There's a lot of education still that needs to happen to make the glass industry, more aware of this problem, and also aware of the fact that it's the glass industry that can really add value to, resolve these problems.
Why is it important to be here in the Startup Zone at glasstec?
So great to be here. It's a huge event, so very excited for being here in the Startup Zone. It's, being able to come here and have a stand is, obviously very important for a startup like ourselves.
If you see all the other problems or challenges we're facing in the industry, you're resolving a digital problem. Are you going to be working on stuff like decarbonization and circular economy in the future while you're producing, or is that something you have in mind? Because sustainability is such a question that people are trying to work out as well.
Well, we definitely have sustainability in mind. I mean, that's it's a given and very important topic today. For now, we're laser focused on the passive antennas, but it's definitely, we of course need to be aware of the wider trends in the industry to make sure that we stay relevant and we offer solutions to all these problems where we can.
I think it's absolutely fantastic that there's a problem that has to be solved and you've worked it out, and I wish you all the